What does your inner critic sound like? It sounds like someone saying you're not good enough. Nobody wants to hear you. Who do you think you are? The audacity. You're going to fail, so don't even try. Remember what happened to you last time. Those are the things that the inner critic is saying to you. They're not necessarily just horrible things to be saying to anyone, but they're not exactly helpful either. If anything, it induces anxiety and fear. So, and the crazy part about the whole thing is that sometimes the voice sounds like us, even though it's not us.
Welcome to the healing.